What's going on, everybody? Mitch back here from Vig It today, rocking the glasses. Today I got your another NBA daily best bet. I got the Cleveland Cavaliers taking on the Minnesota Timberwolves. Let's get into it. The spread started at 1, but it's since moved up to 3.5, with the Cavs being the favorite. I mean, both teams are really struggling coming into this game. Cavs have only won one game of their last five, but against the spread, they're 3-2. But the Minnesota Timberwolves have only won two of the last 15 games, and they're 1-4 against the spread in their last five. So I think Colin Sexton and Andre Drummond will turn that ship around, and they're going to get their season going on the right track. And I think the Timberwolves, they're going to continue to struggle. So that's what I'm rocking with. That's my pick for you. If you like this content, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and always remember, gamble responsibly.